Spring and fall periodic services are a big part of what we do. They not only save money, but they keep locations safe for employees and customers. Before MTRACKER, we logged all services on paper. The vendor was in charge of the process, and much of what was done was left up to their integrity. The result was a large number of customer complaints, 68 last fall. This spring, with the introduction of MTRACKER, complaints were reduced to 48, a 30% improvement the first season. We expect to do even better this fall. The following services are included in the program. Mat service, reducing the number of mats, proper placement, and reduction in service velocity in the summer months is a big money saver. Summer mat service also reduces the possibility employees and/or customers will trip and fall on unnecessary mats. Janitorial service, window cleaning, carpet cleaning, ceramic tile floor scrubbing, VCT tile cleaning and maintenance are costly to order individually for each location. The time it takes to find people to provide all of these services can be a daunting task. We provide all of these services twice per year, coordinating schedules for all locations. Landscaping service, applying bark mulch, fertilization, irrigation system setup or startup and blowout, shrub pruning, re-establishing all shrub and flower bed edges, removal of leaves and other debris from the premises, edge of all walkways and sidewalks, lawn areas raked, and evaluation of the landscape with pictures, recommendations, and quotes. The quotes for improvements typically have 3 versions: low cost, middle of the road, and superior. You pick which one you want or choose a custom combination. That's quite a list. Let's take a look at how we track all this activity. Mat protocols are changed from winter to summer in the month of May and changed back again in the month of November. Diagrams describing the number of mats and their sizes are encrypted and posted on our cloud server. Vendors access the diagrams each season to make sure all facilities are changed over correctly. Modifications to service are communicated through the cloud system by work order, and diagrams are updated to reflect any changes. Window cleaning, carpet cleaning, floor tile cleaning, and sealing are all performed in the spring and fall. Keeping track of 300 locations used to be a challenge. With MTRACKER, the challenge has become routine. Each location has been assigned a custom list of services to be performed based upon the building type. This list is distributed to the vendor and client alike. As the vendors complete the services, they record them in a log on a cloud server through an SMS interface, using a smartphone or tablet. The services are tracked on a map that can be broken down by task, geographic location, vendor, vendor crew, etc. We support the vendors by consulting on scheduling and special circumstances that arise. We do all this while the clients monitor progress using a custom interface we provide. Landscape tasks work the same as janitorial tasks with one large exception. Each vendor is required to evaluate their locations in the spring and provide an electronic evaluation of the property, making suggested improvements that are backed by pictures and quotes. We analyze the information, produce landscape designs, and offer several different solutions to clients with different price points so they can easily be selected and approved. The unique speed that we provide this information ensures that we are performing landscape projects in May rather than the dry heat of July. This keeps costs down and plant durability up. When July rolls around, instead of digging holes, we're admiring the view. This system created 36 landscape enhancement projects over this past summer with a cost of approximately $100,000. All were executed on time and within budget constraints. Logging items on MTRACKER. We use smartphones and tablets to enter information. This process is lightning fast and very easy to do. To access a location, click on its icon. The pop-up service log provides you with the last service performed and what services apply. Tap on the route number for the service you performed to access the entry screen. All of the location information is sucked into the system. Tap the green button to set the start and date time. Tap the red button to set the end date and time. We are not tracking the amount of time it takes you to complete the job, so start and finish can be as close as 1 second apart. Tap Save Data/Select New, and the transaction is saved. To enter the next location, click Visual Status Screen in the top right corner of the screen. This takes you back to the map and the icons. Click on the location served and repeat the process, choosing the appropriate service. This information is as much for you as it is for us. In spring, we expect to see a consistent pattern of activity, turning icons from red to green, going from south to north. In the fall, we expect the service to flow from north to south, the change in season. Identified the problems. We've devised a solution. Now we must continue to execute. Cost objectives. Maintain cost of service supplied by working smarter in the face of rising prices. Our new MAT service proposal to consolidate more locations under one vendor results in a significant cost reduction. Efficiencies created by the MAT diagrams and MTRACKER helped in the negotiations. We anticipate that costs will be maintained for janitorial service. We were also able to hold prices on landscaping service. Service objectives. Reduce the number of service complaints from 68 to 40 for spring and fall changeovers by tightening up the service schedule. Let's make this fall season the best yet.